Sunday off reading the Holy Bible, and I'm also going to journal in my spiritual journey. I used to read Bible verses every day, and what I would do was take from that Bible verse and also get some understanding and also reflect on what that Bible verse means. So that's what I'm doing here. And as always, rejoice in the Lord always. Get into my spiritual journaling. I'm just enjoying this morning of just writing things down and reflecting. And I'm also get out my notebook. No matter what time of the day, get up and get productive. Yes, I was in a rut a while ago. After I journaled and read the Bible earlier this morning, girl, I went back to sleep. Let me be honest with you, but I needed to get up and just refresh, pull myself together, put on some lotion, wash my face, brush my teeth, put on my head wrap, and just go to the store, go do something productive, get things done. Yes, that's me. Wake up. Wake up. I am on my cheap soft girl era, girl. Yes, I am on the budget. It's time to purchase some meats and stock up. I found some meats that are on sale and also these bacon and beef twisters and the wrap steaks. And you got meats that are for $5. And I also need to purchase some more Velveeta macaroni and cheeses. And I'm also at the discount rack. I never pass up the discount rack. I always want to check out the discount rack to see what I can find on sale. And they got a couple of seasonings right now. If y'all want, y'all can pause the video, as I show y'all these seasonings. Yes, I love shopping on a budget and also being frugal with my money. So I'm trying to find things that are on sale. I also spotted some crazy daisies on sale. Y'all know Mother's Day just passed, but I love to purchase discounted flowers. Yes, I like getting my flowers at a cheap price, and I love these roses. They are so beautiful. And roses, they die out fast though, but there's a couple of good roses in there. I love trees. I love to walk and look up at trees on sunny days, winter days, spring days. I just love trees because when you look up at the trees as you're walking underneath the trees, the tree looks so green and beautiful. I did purchase some crazy daisies. They're so beautiful. I can't wait to take them in the house right now.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
Instead, I'm going with this look right here, and I just love it, love it, love it. Candle up there, candle at the bottom. Yes, indeed. So this is the final look. I added my dried blue leaves. Well, I just added one stem in that little vase right there.